Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mark Drabenstadt, Secretary General of the Global Coalition for Efficient Logistics. On behalf of our whole team, and we have a good many of our team here, it's our great honor to be here in Singapore and join a distinguished group of partners in presenting this Human Wealth Awareness event. We appreciate the strong support from the Singapore Chamber, Phil, the Singapore Banks Association, the Australian Singapore Chamber, and the BCM Institute. And I also want to extend my special thanks to David Morrison from UNCDF and the ASEAN Business Advisory Council Chair, Dr. Doan, who you'll hear from for a moment, for their participation. My purpose today is to introduce all of you to GCEL and to give you an overview of our Human Wealth Program. GCEL is a nonprofit organization. It is a public-private partnership, and we are based in Geneva, Switzerland. We bring together more than 30 governments, 13 NGOs from around the world, and with members and supporters who include the WTO, the United Nations, and the OECD, as well as many world-class private sector firms from the finance, insurance, and technology industries. We are all meeting here at a critical turning point in our global economy, the one that I believe will define the economic future our children and grandchildren will enjoy. It's clear to all of us that building a prosperous future with strong economic growth will not come from increasing public debt. That will only make things worse, not better. No, the solution lies in stimulating entrepreneurship and innovation in the private sector and doing this in a way that helps all companies, small, medium, and large alike. The solution must also help these firms reach new international markets and tap into world trade. As our first speaker has already said, the real key to future economic growth. We're recognizing that trade is really the linchpin to our economic future. GCEL's mission is to deliver a new 21st century platform for global trade and commerce and provide a roadmap and the tools to reduce trade costs by up to 30% and business operating costs by up to 15%. And we intend to do this in a way that is open to all regions of the world and to all firms regardless of size. It is certainly fitting that we meet here in Singapore, truly a global leader in logistics efficiency and in the service industries that have fueled your progress. We congratulate your outstanding achievements. Your port and national single window are the envy of the world. And your finance, service, and technology industries rank among the most competitive in Asia and in the world. More than anyone else, Singapore understands that trade is a two-way street. And the benefits of trade are optimized only when your trading partners match your own efficiency. The challenge for Singapore is that very few of your trading partners have achieved the same level of efficiency, whether in Asia or across the globe. The goal is to create shelf-to-shelf efficiency. And this is a global challenge that no one nation, no one firm can meet by itself. No, this is a task that must join together the best efforts of all of us. GCEL's global initiative is entirely focused on delivering shelf-to-shelf efficiency all around the world. We're providing the tools and roadmap to do this, but we are also bringing together key public and private stakeholders from around the world to trigger its deployment. We recognize that such efficiency gains can best be achieved through a global initiative that offsets geopolitical concerns, and this is a hallmark of our Human Wealth Program, as you will see. Building this 21st century trade platform will allow Singapore to reap many significant benefits. Let me list just 4. 1. Our Human Wealth program will bring your trading partners to the same levels of trading efficiency you already enjoy. This will spur new trade and advantage your highly competitive service industries. 2. Human Wealth provides the tangible platform on which to rebalance the global economy and grow the Asian region. This means market growth in your own backyard. 3. This initiative is founded on a bold leap in innovation, one that will unleash powerful gains in productivity, the real driver of prosperity. And this fully aligns with your long-standing track record of success in technology. One reason that Singapore Infocom was an early GCell supporter. And 4th, it will also open huge new markets in the very industries in which you excel: finance, insurance, technology.